Hey everyone. Okay, the curiosity bug bit me, and I did something stupid, really stupid. I bought 3 mystery boxes from JKD Auto Parts on Amazon. And the first box I paid $14.55 for. It's supposed to be $40 worth of merchandise. The second box I paid $19.35 for, and it's supposed to be $30 in merchandise. And the third box was $11.20, and it's supposed to be $30 value in merchandise. Now I'm going to show you. I got one package in the mail today. However, they are saying all 3 were delivered. So since I ordered all 3 at the same time, I am assuming they put all 3 in one priority mail packet, even though they charged me shipping. How about that? So, for $45.10, I should have gotten $100 worth of merchandise, according to what they say. So I'm going to show you what I got. I got a little cheap kid's bracelet from... it's not even, it's like a Dollar Tree. It's on elastic, little elephant beads. I got a pair of Staples 5-inch kids scissors. However, don't be fooled because it says Staples, because they also sell these at the Dollar Tree. Another dollar. I'm not even sure what this is. Yeah, I ordered these mystery boxes, and they said electronics, thinking that I would be able to use them for giveaways when I do my sales and my lives and things. I think this looks like some kind of a light or something. It's got a little hook on it. I guess it's supposed to be a hang-up light. I'm sure it needs batteries. But yeah, I got this little plastic thing. I got a pedestal frame. Look at this. Now, who wouldn't love to have this decor in their home? It's blue plastic, and it sits in that. It'd be cute in a little boy's room, I guess. But not mine. I got a smushed up box that says it is a smartphone card holder. So, and it's all taped up. I haven't even opened it. Let's see if it's even all intact or broken. Yeah, so that's what it is. It's a clip that you put on your dash and put your smartphone on. Now here is the cincher. I do live in Florida, but I got a size medium Miami football shirt, team apparel. It's Dolphins franchise kit. What I think this person did is probably bought returns and then just sold them off in mystery boxes. I got a Village Candle scented gel air freshener. Anybody seen $100 worth yet? Let me know when you do. I got a peace sticker. Woohoo! I got a little cheap gold chain. I think this is a scarf or something. It says it's from Kohl's for $28. I'm not even sure what it is. But I think it's a scarf rather than a table runner. But I shall see in a second. Yeah, some kind of little scarf. Triangular thing. I have never seen one of these or even heard of one of these. I got a cassette adapter. Enjoy your digital music through your car or home stereo. Enjoy your digital music. What does digital have to do with cassette? Transmits your music from your iPod, iPhone, iPad, or other portable device to home car stereo. Well, why wouldn't you just lay your phone on the Bluetooth speaker and play it that way? I don't know, but yeah, I've seen these at $5. Well, I've seen something similar at $5 and below. I think they're like $3. And I got a bag, a Myra bag. And it's like a cosmetics bag, little purse thing. Gray with stars on it. So, yeah, that zipper's not going to hold long. The zipper's not even in there right. Sure isn't. I'll be darned. Anyway, does anybody see $100 worth? And is this a 3 mystery box? Because if this is 3 of them, wow. Okay, anyway, just a word of warning. Don't be curious, because unlike me, I watched some openings. I did. I watched some openings of mystery boxes, and then turned around and bought the stupid thing anyway. But make sure you come to my sales and my lives, because guess what? Everything in here is a giveaway, except for the scissors. They'll go to the daycare. Okay, that's it. This is my $100 worth of mystery gifts that I paid $45.10 for. Live and learn, because I sure don't see $45 worth of stuff, much less $100. So don't be curious, because the mystery boxes are just that. It's a mystery as to why in the world are we buying these things. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.